Good morning. In my last TPT, I told about the unity of workers. They have to be with one aim. Then company will have progress. If company gets progress, it's certain percentage of benefit they too also will have. Company may have progress, company may not have progress. Company may have given benefit, company may not have given benefits. Even if it is so, one worker has to have a thought, especially I will say one fabricator has to have a thought. If I touch in iron, it won't become as a rust. Instead of that, it will become gold. Everybody knows one iron won't become gold. But what is the word, what is the proverb? Rust and gold means. What is the word, what is the proverb rust and gold mean? It means if I touch, it has to become valuable thing like gold or silver or diamond. It has to become valuable thing. One fabricator knows to make valuable things. He doesn't know to make rust. He doesn't know to make scrap. So, company may give benefit or sometimes they may not give. But my aim should be, if I work 8 hours, I will make a production of more than 9 hours or 10 hours. I worked only 8 hours. But I give production of more than 11 hours or more than 10 hours. Somebody may be working 8 hours without rest, but sometimes their production may be less than 7 hours or 6 hours. How does it happen? Especially it happens in 2 ways. One, because of lack of responsibility. If they don't give concentration to their work, it may have faults, it may have defects. So, again it has to be done. If it is being done the second time, it becomes a rework. Company has a lot of loss. More than this all, if we do this work the second time, it should be called as a production work and it is to be called as maintenance work. What is the difference between production work and maintenance work? Production works are being done the first time. Then it will have accuracy, it will have finishing, it will have strength, it will have that kind of all kinds of qualities. If we do it the second time, it becomes like a maintenance work. What is the meaning of maintenance? If our vehicle or some other things, our equipments which is in kitchen or our other equipments in our home, if it gets a problem, we will repair it. But how many times if we repair that much of defects, it will have. Sometimes it may be working for some hours, sometimes it may be working for some days or weeks or years. But first time when it has been made as a productive job, how was its quality? That much of quality we won't get back. One example I can say and I shall remove. In my leg, one accident has happened and 3 stainless steel rods have been operated and it has been inserted inside of my leg. It has happened approximately in my 35th or 36th stage. Before my 35th age, however, I was walking like that. I couldn't walk after 35th because of this accident. Accident happened because of one good operation. It has been maintained. Problem has been solved. I can walk, but however I was walking before my 35th age, afterwards I couldn't walk after my 36th stage. Why? It has become a maintenance work. It has become a rework. When Lord created me, my leg has one power. That power has been lost because of accident. After accident, doctor maintained my problem, inserting 3 or 4 stainless steel rods inside of my leg. Even if it is so, it hasn't been worked. However, it was working before my 35th age. It is to be remembered for jobs and for safety. Jobs shouldn't get spoiled. That is related with the safety of material safety. And our body shouldn't be got spoiled or it shouldn't be got accident. That is related with the self-safety. I think I have told about 4 types of safety. In that 4 types of safety, first safety is self-safety. It means we have to be careful about ourselves. We shouldn't get accident. And the second accident is others' safety, related with the other safety. First is self-safety, second is other safety. It means I have to be safe, but if others aren't safe, because of my work, that is also against safety rules. So I told 2 types of safety. The third safety is material safety. First safety, self-safety. Second safety, other safety. Third safety is material safety. Our material shouldn't be got spoiled. It shouldn't get accident. I will describe about material safety more powerfully, but today I tell only 1 or 2 sentences about only. So I don't describe about material safety today. Coming PBT, I shall describe about it. Also, I shall describe about the 4th safety, that is tools and equipment safety. That also will be described in coming toolbox. So, work safely. You have to be safe. Others have to be safe. Materials have to be safe. Tools and equipments have to be safe. Do the work the first time. Okay, have a safe day.